Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. For this log, we're diving into SDL2 with C and learning one of the most important concepts in game programming, the game loop with frame rate control. We'll be building a simple program that creates a window, renders a square, and mostly keeps everything running smoothly at a consistent 60 frames per second. By the end of this log, you'll understand how to set up a clean game structure with init, update, render, and cleanup functions, and how to control time inside your game loop, just like a professional engines. So let's get started. So for the project structure, inside this folder, we have a CMakeList.txt, include folder, src folder or source folder. So inside the include folder, we have a game.h or game.header file. And then inside the src or source folder, we have game.c and main.c file. So here for the CMake file, CMake will create the executable files and linking the needed libraries. So CMake is also our build system. So inside the game.h or game header file, we will going to have a constant. So here we have a window width, window height, frame per second, frame time. So those are the constant that we have. So the window size is 800 by 600 pixels and the value for the frame per second is 60. So the frame time is the duration of each frame should take in millisecond. So for the line 17 up to 21, we will have a game struct. So for the line 24 up to 23, we will going to have a function prototypes. Those are game init, game handle events, game update, game rendered, game cleanup. Inside the game.c file, in line 7 up to 27, we will going to have we're going to initialize the SDL, create or the creation of window and renderer. And also we set the game running to true. So in line 38 up to 37, we will going to have a game handle event. So this function will handle the events. So this is the event loop that we have for this function. So in line 40 up to 42, we will going to have a game update. So for now it's empty. So it is a placeholder for the future game for the logic functionality. So in line 45 up to 55, we will going to have a game underscore render function. So this is a renderer function. So in line 46 up to 47, we will going to clear out the we're going to clear the screen with the black color, and then in line 50 we will going to set the color for the rectangle. And then for line 51, we will going to create a rectangle. So we will going to specify the size of our rectangle and position on it. And also we will going to fill that rectangle. And then we're going to present our renderer to the screen. So for the main file or main.c file, so we're going to initialize the game that we have and then give it a title, and then we will going to have our game loop or the main loop that we have. So here we will going to have a frame start, so that is the time of our loop. So in line 20 up to 23, this is the frame rate control. So if your frame is way too fast, we're going to delay that frame. And then we were going to clean up all the resources before quitting. Now we're going to build the game and execute the executable file. And that's it for this log. We now have a basic SDL2 game loop running at a stable 60 FPS or frame per second, complete with event handling, updating, and rendering. This structure will be the foundation for everything we build in the next log or in the future log. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also drop a comment below what would you like to see added next, maybe movement, animation, or collision detection. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.